Hi everybody, I'm Martijn Otten from AVI Flexologic, and we're here with the SAM 3.0. We're going to demonstrate our latest feature, which is AVI, Advanced Visual Intelligence. What is this? It's our AI-based neural network image recognition system. What does this do? It recognizes the mounting marks, microdots and crosshairs. So we did have a system in the past. This is an upgrade to that, which is extremely powerful because it uses AI to actually detect different types of mounting marks very, very easily. What I'm going to demonstrate now is we're going to have 7 different types of plates and mounting marks, used marks, different types, different diameters, worn out, new plates, old plates. So you can see here, very small mounting marks over here. One is actually a bit of a square, and it recognizes it perfectly as well. This is a fairly new plate. This is a thermal-based plate. It sometimes can be a bit challenging in normal recognition systems. So I'm going to go to my next plate, and this is with our AVI setting on microdot. So I'm going to move to my next plate. And here you can actually see a negative mark, very small, buried in the image. And on the right here, a positive dot, also very small, not so hard to see. But AVI has on this one 84% match score, which is really, really good. In the past, you had to create a lot of different recipes, different lighting settings, etc., to be able to detect different types, negative marks, positives, but it was also not so easy to detect them. So actually the match score and the recognition rate is now extremely high versus in the previous system it was much more sensitive. So we've got this one, then I'll go to the next plate. Traditionally also quite challenging, which is a Kodak NX. Very nice for high ink transfer because it has quite a rough surface for great ink transfer. Not so great for image recognition because it disperses the light in the camera. As you can see here, it's even quite difficult to see it by eye, but AVI picks it up very nicely. So that's great. We'll go to the next one. Also again, different color, different type of mounting mark. Notice I am not, between microdots, I'm not changing anything. When I come with the cross, I can very easily select AVI cross. And it will detect it both left and right perfectly, as you can see as well. So I'm going to go to the next one. Back to a solvent and a microdot. Let's see where that is. There we go. Again, very small microdot. And it picks it up perfectly. Next one, different color, different mark again. This is actually a negative dot. And as you can see here, it's buried within the image. This would be very hard to be identified in between the surrounding structure. As you can see here, AVI recognizes it perfectly, which is really exciting. It's a game changer for us and for our equipment. Means you don't have to change recipes anymore, you don't have to create separate recipes. Machine is much more reliable for different types of circumstances. And here we have the last one. Well, this one's pretty easy, as you can see. So that was 8 plates, new, used, different diameters, worn out, Kodak, cross and microdot, all recognized flawlessly using AVI. So pretty cool, very excited to show you, and I'll see you on the next one.